Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how, as an approval level persona, an approver can approve and reject the leave claims that has been raised by their team members. Once the approval level persona has logged into KEBS and navigates to the leave management application, he or she can simply navigate to the My Approval section, and all the leave requests that are pending and need approval are populated here. Here, the user can simply reject or approve the claims. And also, the compensatory off requests are also populated here, and the same can be done for them as well. Other than this, the already approved and the previously rejected claims are also viewed here. The team calendar can also be viewed by the approval level persona. Another form of approval can also be done by using the inbox button, where the approvals across various applications are populated on a single page. Here, the leaves button is clicked, and all the awaiting requests from the leave management application can also be approved or rejected here. Thank you for watching.